Welcome back to Supercar. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated SUVs of 2024, the new Dacia Duster 2024. Rugged design, unbeatable price. The Duster has always been known for offering tremendous value for money, and this 2024 model continues that tradition. With a fresh, rugged design and modern features, all while maintaining its unbeatable price, the Duster remains a top choice. Whether you're an adventure lover or just need a practical daily driver, the new Dacia Duster might be the perfect fit. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Supercar family for more car reviews and updates. The Dacia Duster Legacy. Value meets versatility. Since its release, the Dacia Duster has been a game-changer, loved for its affordability and toughness. The 2024 model brings even more to the table, with a refined design and upgraded technology, all while staying budget-friendly in the SUV market. Why do you think the Duster has become so popular? Is it the unbeatable price, rugged design, or ability to tackle almost any terrain? Let us know in the comments. Exterior design. Bold and rugged. The exterior of the 2024 Dacia Duster screams bold, modern, and rugged. Dacia has given the Duster a facelift, keeping it relevant in today's competitive market, while maintaining its adventurous spirit. A more aggressive front grille, sleek new Dacia logo, and updated LED headlights give the Duster a premium feel. The daytime running lights add to the modern edge, and its higher ground clearance, robust fender flares, and 17-inch alloy wheels ensure this SUV is off-road ready. What's your favorite part of the new design? Do you think the rugged exterior gives it an edge over other compact SUVs? Performance and engine options. Efficient, yet tough. The 2024 Dacia Duster offers a variety of engine options to suit different driving needs. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency or a bit more power, there's a Duster for you. The base model comes with a 1.0-liter turbocharged engine, offering 90 horsepower for everyday driving. For more power, the 1.3-liter turbo engine delivers 150 horsepower, perfect for off-road adventures or longer trips. The AWD system ensures stability on rough terrain, while the front-wheel drive version is efficient for city driving. Which would you choose? The AWD for off-road fun or front-wheel drive for daily commutes? Comfort and interior features. Practical and modern. Inside the 2024 Duster, you'll find comfort meets practicality. The upgraded seats offer better support for long drives, and the elevated driving position gives a great view of the road, whether you're navigating busy streets or off-road paths. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system is responsive and comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect your smartphone. You also get built-in navigation, perfect for road trips. With the rear seats down, the Duster offers up to 1,600 liters of cargo space, making it ideal for camping gear or groceries. What do you think of the new interior? Has Dacia struck the right balance between comfort and functionality? Technology and safety. Modern and user-friendly. The 2024 Dacia Duster now includes improved driver assistance systems, making it safer and more convenient to drive. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring add peace of mind. The rear-view camera with parking sensors also makes parking much easier. On the tech front, the keyless entry and start system adds convenience, and with multiple USB ports and a premium audio system, you're always connected. Do these safety and tech features make the Duster more appealing, or do you prefer to keep things simple in a rugged SUV? Fuel efficiency, affordable and eco-friendly. Despite its rugged nature, the 2024 Dacia Duster is impressively fuel efficient. Depending on the engine and drivetrain, you can expect up to 50 miles per gallon, combined. This makes it a great option for both your wallet and the environment. Pricing. Unbeatable value. The biggest reason for the Duster's success? Its unbeatable price. Starting at around $19,000, the Dacia Duster offers incredible value. Even the higher trims, with more features and AWD, remain competitively priced, making it hard to find another SUV that offers this much at such a low cost. Pros and cons of the 2024 Dacia Duster. Pros: rugged design, bold styling that stands out. Unbeatable price, exceptional value under $20,000. Fuel efficiency, impressive for an SUV. Practicality, spacious interior and cargo space. Cons: basic interior, still feels basic compared to premium competitors. Performance limitations, not as powerful as higher-end SUVs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more exciting reviews and car news. See you in the next video.